Hey, I'm RC, and in this video I'll show you how to create your very first quest with the Raining Chain editor. So in this video we'll assume that you have already read the quest example page on the wiki, so the link will be in the description. So there I cover the logic, the pseudocode, and finally the real code. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to take that real code and create the actual quest where you can play with your character and test if what we have created is actually correct. So the first thing we want to do is to open Visual Studio Code and click the RCE help button. So this will open the help menu, and there you will be able to see a command called new project. So you do Ctrl+Shift+P to open the list of Visual Studio Code commands. You type RCE and then new project. There are two types of project. There's the quests and there's quest simple. For the tutorial we'll be using the simple version of quest, so it's easier to do quest with it. So simply click enter, and then we need to enter the project ID. It needs to start with a Q. It's an engine limitation. So let's call it Q quest example 1, and then you press enter. It will create all the files needed to create a new quest. So the first thing we will want to do is to add the variables. So if we go over there, we add a variable called have_killed_dragon. So we copy it and we add it to the list of variable. So it will give us an error and it says have_killed_dragon does not exist on type var. So you can simply copy paste it over there to fix the problem. Another quicker way to do that is to click have_killed_dragon and then press Ctrl+Shift+A, and it will automatically add it to the var enum. So this is all mentioned in the Raining Chain help. So add to enum commands. So yeah, the next thing we will want to do is to add the events. So we go back to the real code page, we copy paste the events and paste it over there. Next, we want to work on the map. So by default, there's a map called main with one spot T1. What we want to do is to add two NPCs using the spawn NPC commands over there. So there will be a bunch of errors. The first one is dragon does not exist on NPC. Once again, you can copy paste and place it over there, or you can do Ctrl+Shift+A and it will automatically fix the problem. So there are two spots that we need to define on the map. So there's N1 for the NPC and E1 for the dragon. So what you want to do is to click open map file. This will open tiled, the map editor for the Raining Chain editor. You click on the spot layer, tile set 9, and we want to add one spot and 1. So this is where the NPC will spawn, and another spot E1, this is where the dragon will spawn. We save the map file and then we click update spot, and E1 and N1 will be added to the list of spots. So yeah, this is all that's needed to create a quest. The final step is to test it. And to do that, what we want to do is to use the command test projects. So as usual, we do Ctrl+Shift+P, RCE, and then start actually test project. So what it's going to do is that it's going to compile the project using the TypeScript compiler, and then it's going to start the server. So one issue that can happen is that you're trying to run two instances of the game and only one of them can be active at once. So let's say that I try to run the server again. So test project twice. So you will see a warning message like this. So the server is already running. So to fix that, you want to go back to your currently running server and simply close it with Ctrl+C, or you can click the garbage bin, whatever you choose. So anyway, let's go back to test project. So now that the server is running, we want to go to localhost 3000/game. So this is where the server is running. We want to sign into the game, and you will be automatically teleported to the first spot of your first map. In our case, it's there. So as you can see, there's Ringo, our NPC. There's the dragon over there. If we talk with Ringo, it will say go kill the dragon. If we go over there and we kill the dragon without getting killed, there we go, and we go back and talk with Ringo, it will say quest complete. So I guess that will be pretty much it about this video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to click the annotation on the screen to go check out the second quest example. Thanks a lot for watching, and see ya!